Hi, hello, and namaste, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, RSK Competitive World. So, in the last session, we discussed that regarding teeth, that is, what are the kinds of teeth. We discussed that is canines and incisors, premolars, molars. What are the functions? Okay, then how many are there? The upper jaws and the lower jaws. Equally we divided. Totally 32 teeth are there, and in the upper jaws there will be 16 and the lower jaws also 16. So the next part is in the buccal cavity, tongue. So tongue is very important. Tongue is also very important in crushing the food, will also help. Okay, so tongue is a muscular structure in the mouth, and there are various taste buds situated in different regions of the tongue. Got my point? There are various buds are there in the different areas of this small tongue. It's a muscular structure in the mouth. Okay, so these taste buds helps us to recognize and differentiate these buds, which are those sweet, sour, bitter and salty foods. Got my point? So these taste buds are help to recognize, means we can recognize when you will have food into mouth. With the help of these buds we can recognize whether it will be a sweet, whether it will be a bitter, whether it will be a salty, or it may be a sour taste. How we are recognizing? Because of buds are there present in the, that is, tongue with different areas. Got my point? The tongue also helps to change the food into semi-solid soluble form by mixing saliva with it. Yesterday we discussed. So buccal cavity not includes only tongue, it also includes teeth, tongue, salivary glands. So how many pairs of salivary glands we have in the mouth? 3 pairs. One pair is in the upper jaws, 2 pairs are near to the lower jaws. Got my point? Every day nearly 1 to 1.5 liter of saliva will be released in the mouth. So what is the use of this salivary juice? That salivary juice, when it will be released, when you will have the food, that time it mixes with the food, will help to crush the food, will make the solid food into semi-solid food, will convert that complex food into simple food. Got my point? What is the use of salivary gland? Okay, that the teeth help in chewing the food and the tongue converts it into a ball like a bolus, which is easy to swallow. Got my point? What is the use? That is the function of teeth. Teeth will crush it, will grind it with the help of their teeth. We have so many kinds of the teeth. That is canines we have in the upper jaws and lower jaws. We have premolars, molars, incisors. They will bind, they will grind it, they will pierce it, they will tear it. Then what is the use of this tongue? Tongue will start, that is, bolus. It will make a ball like a bolus, that convert that food into ball like a bolus, which is very easy for us to swallow, which is very easy to have it. Got my point? So now what we need to discuss is how many kinds of the birds are there on the, that is, tongue. Usually there will be 4 birds are there, which are those sweet bird, sour bird, bitter bird and salty bird. Got my point? What is the use of these birds? They will recognize the food taste. Got my point? They will recognize the food taste, whether it will be sweet, sour, bitter or salty. Okay, yes. See, we have one experiment. We will go for the activity 2.4, which is there in the textbook, page number 15. Then afterwards we'll go for activity number 2.3. First we'll complete the activity of 2.4, then we'll go for the activity number 2.3. Okay, see what is that activity 2.4? See that we need to find here what are the different kinds of these birds, what are their functions and where they are lying, which is their position. Got my point? So for that we need to do an activity. In the activity 2.4 they have given what we need to do. What is the aim of this activity? Aim is that to test the presence of different taste buds on different parts of the tongue. There will be 4 buds are there, and which are the areas of these buds on the tongue, what we need to discuss today. We need to test the presence of different taste buds on different parts of the tongue. So what materials are required for this one? So that we have to take 4 separate beakers for this one, and in the first beaker 5 ml of sugar solution, 5 ml of second beaker 5 ml of salt solution, in the third beaker lemon juice, and the fourth beaker bitter gourd juice, and we need one a small dropper for this one. Got my point? So what we need to do, we have to take separate 4 beakers for this one, and each beaker separate solutions we need to add 5 ml of sugar solution, 5 ml of salt solution and lemon juice, bitter gourd in different 4 beakers separately. Then what we need to do now, select one portion of your tongue at one time. Got my point? Otherwise you can call any of your friend or classmate, just blindfold one of your classmate and ask him or her to take out the tongue and keep in a straight and flat position. That easily you can by using the dropper you can drop 1 drop or 2 drops of the solution which you want to keep. Got my point? That by using the dropper, just keep any kind of a solution from the beaker and you just keep that on your classmate, the tongue of your classmate. Got my point? Observe now the type of taste you are able to detect. Means you can ask her or him, that is what kind of taste you are getting after putting a small solution through the dropper on her tongue or his tongue. So ask her or him that which taste you are getting right now. Got my point? So keep on repeating this experiment by using all beaker solutions, keeping drop by drop on her or his tongue. Then what you will observe by doing this experiment? Got my point? What you need to do, that separately 4 beakers you need to take, label them as A, B, C, D like that. Then in the first beaker A, 5 ml of sugar solution you can make yourself, 5 ml of salt solution by adding water to that, little amount of lemon juice in the third beaker, means beaker number C, in the beaker number D, bitter gourd juice. So you small dropper you can take, and what you need to do, call your any one of your classmate and blindfold her and tell her to remove the tongue in the form of straight, which is a flat position, and start dropping a solution of sugar, 1 or 2 drops by using the dropper, and ask him or her that what kind of that is a taste you are getting, whether you are getting taste or not, that also you can observe. Okay, so that by doing completely from all the 4 beakers you can keep on doing this experiment, what you will conclude, what you will observe, what is your conclusion, that what I want to ask you. So this experiment is very easy, you can do it in your house also. Got my point? So I will tell now the observation and conclusion. Okay, what is the conclusion and observation? What we will observe, that each part of tongue does not detect all types of taste. Got my point? Each part of tongue does not detect all types of taste. So for example, so your classmate removed her tongue, for example his or her tongue flat position, then you have taken a little 2 or 3 drops of a sugar solution and you kept it on her tongue. For if example, for example, if that bird, if it is a sweet, it means sugar solution means it will detect you must feel that it should come sweet taste. So if you by mistake if you drop that little sugar solution on any bitter place, means bitter bud, so can't able to detect. Got my point? The bitter bud will not detect the taste of sweet. Got my point? Or if you place by mistake, if it is on the bud of salty bud, so that salty bud also will not detect the sweet. Are you getting my point? Whether it is the other than the sweet birds, other birds like bitter, whether it will be a sour or either it's salty, will not detect the bud of that is a taste of sweet. Only sweet bud can detect the taste of sweet. So in the same way, if you taken the solution from the bitter gourd, 2 to 3 drops, then other birds can't detect the bitter gourd taste. That is a bitter taste. Got my point? Means these birds are there on the tongue with respective positions. They are in the respective positions. Are you getting my point? So they are at the fixed place. So they have their fixed positions, fixed places. That's why what we observed that each part of tongue does not detect all types of tastes, and each type of taste is not detected all over the tongue. Got my point? Each type of taste, that is what I discussed now. Each type of taste, for example, sweet taste cannot be detected on bitter bud, cannot be detected on sour bud, cannot be detected on, that is, salty bud. That is why each type of taste is not detected all over the tongue. So it is clear that tongue has taste buds for different types of taste in different areas. This is what observation and conclusion what we need to conclude. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? See here. You can see this one. See, we have this side sour buds. These are the two sides we have fixed position sour. If you keep the solution, that is if the solution of a sour taste, there is sour solution on these two buds, then only it will detect the sour taste. Otherwise, if you place the sour solution on this salty or sweet or it is bitter, it will not detect. These bitter, salty and sweet buds never detect the taste of sour. Got my point? So, if you place on this position only, then only it will detect the sour taste. Otherwise, these other buds will not detect any kind of other tastes. So, that is what this, from this experiment, what we need to conclude that tongue has types of buds on its own position it has, and they can taste only their tastes. For example, bitter, if it is there, it will only detect the bitter if you place on the bitter bud. So other birds will not detect the bitter taste. So that's why what I concluded, what I observed, that tongue does not detect all types of taste and each type of taste not detected all over the tongue. So it is clear from this experiment that tongue has taste buds for different types of taste in different areas. So this is what regarding tongue. We completed the activity 2.4. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Share my videos and subscribe it. Thank you.